Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of photography with the 4K digital camera, a versatile tool perfect for both beginners and seasoned vloggers. This camera boasts a stunning 48 megapixels resolution, allowing you to capture Ultra HD images and 4K videos with ease, making it ideal for YouTube content creators. With its dual lens design, you can effortlessly switch between taking selfies and capturing breathtaking landscapes, all while benefiting from its autofocus and anti-shake features for crystal clear shots. The camera's 18x digital zoom ensures you won't miss any details, whether you're shooting up close or from a distance, and the built-in flash enhances your photos in low light conditions. Plus, with Wi-Fi connectivity and HDMI output, sharing your creations with friends and family or streaming live to your audience has never been easier. Designed with user-friendly controls, this camera includes a multi-function dial for quick mode changes, making it perfect for capturing every moment, from slow motion to time-lapse. Whether you're gifting it to a budding photographer or using it yourself, this camera is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to capture life's memorable moments.